Kashmiri Rogan Josh. Kashmir is known for its beautiful scenic valley and delicious authentic cuisines. A very well known and traditional mutton dish that is famous all over the world and is a member of Kashmiri Vazwan is Rogan Josh. Ingredients for Kashmiri Rogan Josh: 400 gram mutton, 3 tablespoon mustard oil, 3 to 4 black cardamom, few cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks of 2 inches, few green cardamom, 1 teaspoon hing, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, water, 500 ml mutton stock, 1 cup fried onions, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 cup tomato puree, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri saffron, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 teaspoon dried ginger powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, few juliennes of ginger. Method of Kashmiri Rogan Josh: take a deep pan, put some mustard oil and then add all the whole spices. When it turns aromatic, put the mutton pieces and saute it till it turns golden brown in color. Also add hing at this stage. Now take ginger garlic paste and Kashmiri red chili powder in a bowl and mix it with some water to make a nice watery mixture. Add this liquid mixture in the mutton and then put the mutton stock, then add fried onion and turmeric and mix everything together. Cover it with a lid and let the mutton boil till 80%. At this stage, add tomato puree and coriander powder and mix well. Again, cover it and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take out the mutton pieces from the pan and put them in a bowl. Take a strainer and put the mutton gravy onto it and with the help of a spoon back, strain all the liquid portion of the gravy. Now put the liquid strained gravy along with mutton pieces back into the pan. Now add saffron and mix well. Then add salt and ghee along with the ginger powder and fennel seed powder. Now combine everything together. Finally add some ginger juliennes. Let it cook for another few minutes and your delicious Rogan Josh is ready.